If you know the kind of work where they do for your voice on top that mix where they complain about, to God, you know, go talk about them. Because some of an artists, they too overdo. Engineer go send you mix and master. The next feedback where you go give them goes, which kind of rubbish be this? Some engineers go even ask you, give me feedback. Some feed just send you, I know say some yaw engineers do. But some go ask you, listen to them and give me feedback. And your feedback, which kind of rubbish be this? Like I talk, if you know the kind of work where they do on top that voice where they complain about, you know go actually give feedback like that. And some of our recording artists, no say all these things now garbage in, garbage out. What do I mean by garbage in, garbage out? The way where you sing them, now you go hear them. Some of our things say, if I sing yaw, one thing go just process them inside the computer, mix and your voice go come out like Oga, now waiting you sing put inside, now you go come out. If you sing off key, auto tune go tune them off key. Now the engineer go come start to the pick them, they correct the keys for you. So if you know the kind of work where they do on top your voice, you know go give feedback the way where they always give them. Una dey fond of that thing. Another thing where you go need to understand be say everybody where they sing or talk get their own unique voice texture. Because now some of una go don't go cloud on a head with one particular artist who una like. Say for instance, Rema. You like Rema, you like the way they sing. So you don't master in singing techniques and all those things the way in the sound. You dey forget say your own voice texture they different from Rema voice texture. If you like sing, say you they sing like I'm in style and all those things, your voice texture they different from them. A perfect example be say Portable fits mimic how Rema they sing like them. But Portable voice texture they different from Rema voice texture. So how we take affect all these things we will talk about. If engineer hear Portable voice, if you be say Portable they sing like Rema style, but their chances say Rema voice if you no get much bass, Portable voice go get much bass. Wetin engineer go do? He go decide whether making cut bass come out or add bass. Now wetin you know. And again, he no get as you want do and make it be say it go exactly sound like Rema. Even if they like make they go carry Rema vocal preset put on top that your own, your voice texture go must still dey different. Sometimes I'd always say it is good make artists get a knowledge of wetin they want go into. That way they go really understand the work where they go on for wetin they condemn most times, because una sabi condemn. It gets some of una like una get PhD in condemning everything where anybody do. Singing requires mastering your craft. If you know master them, the way where you garbage them in, now you go garbage them out. So the bottom line of this video be say, if you don't really get knowledge of waiting, audio engineering, mixing and mastering and all those things be, and if you get a particular way where you don't think say it go happen, your voice supposed come out. If a mix engineer send you song where you give and make a mix, always give them feedback based on say you know actually understand some things. Yes, it's good say you hear some things different, but some of them they make them look like say the person no do anything at all. Even though I know say some engineer and yaw like they talk again. But if you give them feedback, maybe in terms of questions, say how far, or this one I not too like him, or you fit do one like this. And again, mixing na mood. You get the kind of mood where they give Afrobeat. You get the kind of mood where they give like acoustic piano song. Even for mastering, for like acoustic song where we say only piano and some calm voice, you know go the mix or master and make it too loud, because you know require those in a calm. You get some kind of song where you would need to dey harsh. Some of una go shout just want everything to jump back. So now here we go end the matter for today. I go to wait for una for comment session.